ang outcome na gusto natin from this flow is successful prosecution para mahinto ito. So, AYACAT provides the policy, that is your shield. The private sector provides the intel or your eyes, and you provide the enforcement. You are the sword. So, laban kontra human trafficking, laban natin lahat. Okay? Tapos na ba? Meron pa. So, I have to discuss this para alam ninyo yung jurisprudence natin. Magki-case studies tayo. Okay? Hindi naman kayo busy, no? Wala kayong ibang puntahan. So, act means purpose equals trafficking. Explain ko na yan para mabilis. If victim sa minor, walang consent. Okay? So, People versus Casio, operation type by bust. Okay? Barangay Camagayan, it's Cebu City. Baka may taga Cebu City dito. So, police officers, nagpanggap silang tourists. Okay? So, the accused here approached the vehicle. Sabi niya, chicks mo dong? Gusto mo ng girls? Or do you want girls? So, umalis si Casio and returned with 2 minors. So, negotiated price, 500 pesos per victim. So, marked money exchange in motel room. Patay. Huli siya. Okay? So, ang issue, sabi niya, instigation daw. Yun yung, di ba? Alam niyo na instigation? What is instigation? You're forcing someone to commit a crime. So sabi niya, in-instigate ako, sir. Ang police, sabi niya, hindi, in-entrap ka namin kasi nag-offer ka ng you are in child prostitution. Eh. So, the defense claims that police induced the crime. So, rejected yung defense na yan. Reasoning, criminal intent originated in the mind of the accused. Hindi naman police yung may criminal mind doon eh. Okay? So, she approached the car. First, this is valid entrapment. Okay? May issue dito. The victim was already a prostitute. Prostitute naman yung bata eh. Diba? So, of course, irrelevant yun. Kasi bata nga.